and all that tell us him sorry over 100 times and you can't even say, alright, it take a big man for you apologize, so you accept it and you move on. Yeah? You can't understand, so the man tell you sorry with a willing heart. But that taking every single one of them and put them in a lockup till more information come. Police will take up everybody with threat Niah. I could have even throw them a troll at this point. All of who did send threat, go for all of them one. Don't to all the one where did me take it back. Don't to all the one that did upon the night at troll. I don't care. Watch how Gage have on lace cap a meltdown for put on him bust down 40 inch. I'm gonna see if him available. Gage have on bust down cap for go put on wig. What could have caused this? Now answer me and see what go on. You see me a request me now? Watch out, me go send him one request again. It a countdown.
Well, I'm a friend in the world right now. I even want to hear nothing of you.
Me a unfollow you. Watch him again.
I even want to hear nothing right now. You don't can't start shooting now.
I want you over there talk, boy.
I know, God, I don't want to hear nothing right now.
I never watch me like so.
Nobody now sit down and start discussing that. Nobody.
Gage!
Yo.
What's going on?
You know my dad do I pray.
Eh?
You know my dad do I pray.
You sad?
Eh? You know my God do?
You sad? Yeah. Boy, come on for me. Come on for me. You sad?
I try know my good man. My good man, I pray.
So why you like that? What's going on?
Not me just there all a reasoning, man. Everything up.
But you just said you're not going to add me, so why?
No, me no, Yo, Vani, no. Brother, me no want them bumbuckler people that come and follow up my page, like, yo, me no want to hear nothing about Niah thing, brother. Me no want to talk about it, me no want.
So who told you I was going to come to talk about Niah?
Oh, me no want to hear nothing about it, dad.
What's the baby? What
Nobody
did you
come follow up my page card and think me I go over there and talk about that. Me no want that, brother. The man family them grieve in peace. Me no want no loose chatting over that. I just there, my G, you know.
But you're taking out your problems on me because we never go come talk about
No, I don't have a problem, my friend.
No, you're my friend, you know. No, you're my good friend, you know. You say I come play a match with you every day and run joke. Me and Niah run joke. Hey, you say I come run joke with me, I not pass your place. I said Niah run joke with me and I pass in place now. Me and Niah good. And me and Niah for playing birthday match January, you know. And me cut up to you, cut up and me cut up to you. See them, me come for me live and me I tell you say the amount of people send me match. Why not tell me for stop the wife? You go on, remember this no man. You go on off my page, man. You no go on. Go on. I gotta be real. You can't up on the media and let me go over my live go talk. I don't want to get straight like me at this thing. Let me go anger them people. I gauge later. You can't come on the internet. You want to your friend on the internet. If you sit down and you're there for your live and one of the people them will play with dead. What the fuck you think the people them are going to talk about? Me I gotta be real. You come on the internet, you are sad because one of our friend passed out. And you're sad. You don't want to play no match because we're gone. You don't want to talk to nobody because I was gone. So why you sit down on the internet then? I mean I talk I not shut me up. Why not shut me up for? It's same way all Gage feel, like same way me feel last night. You can't come on my platform, come blood clot, tell me to follow it. You can't come tell me on my platform say follow it. First thing first, me never go over gauge boy Niah in the first place. You can't do that cause now you